PAK SAO set there. What I'm doing is I'm trying to go systematically, but go slow, but let the motions do the work for me. I don't pick a side. What happens is if it's on this side, I'll respond here. My jab and punches come this way. And now I'll go here, thread the fist this way. If it happens on this side, this rear hand will set the tone, and my high-low is right here. Okay? So if my high-low is here, my PAK is there to catch it, my inside swing, and my leads this way. What I'll do is I'll do a chain palm, like a lifted chain palm, and I'll hook like that. So that way there, if it sets off on this side, fine, I'll go this way. You know, and if it goes on this side, I'll go this way. Okay, and my third motion can change me. You know, depending on the palm, because you got like 3 or 4 different palms you can do. You got Chang palm, Wanjung palm and vertical work perfect. Okay, then you have regular Chang palm and ping work perfect. Even Chang palm this way and ping, Gua Choy, Fung Hao, you hit backhand. But even like ping Gua can be passed off for just simple PAK SAO. The idea is that when the arms come out and get tangled and bundled and you get like this kind of thing or this kind of thing, or like grabbing or even swinging, that your motions can thread through. So that's the idea, right? And then because you can keep using palms to assist you, you can keep directing the Choi fire. And then the motions are also doubled up. So my set, you could look at it as if you're leaning backhand, your tools are here. Right, and if it was this side, I'll do leads. Leads. See, and if you can get 3 going, like your leg, your hand, you do even better. See, you're doubling the timing on a set like this. And then that way there, you don't have to get all crazy and jump around. It's just the hand does the work. Now this is GAANG SAO. You're probably saying, why is he using his hand as a sword? It isn't a sword, it's a parry. Along with PAK and cover, GAANG SAO can move a hand out and you can do a hit. So GAANG SAO is like a sword. You can't hit. Catch it with simple PAK SAO. Simple PAK SAO with BILG or Chung.